Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is x plus product of xy plus 3 times y is equal to 35. Then we find the value of x plus y in our question. And the x and y are belong to positive integer. So let's start. This is a x plus xy plus 3y it's equal to 35. Now look at the first two term x involved in this two term. So we factor out. So this will become a 1 plus y. Now look at this. This is a just positive 3y and we want to write this as a 1 plus y. So for this we add a 3 on both sides. So this is a 3 times y plus 3. We add a positive 3 on both sides. So we also write here a 3. Now look at this 3 involved in this two term. So this is how we copy the first term. So this will become if we factor out 3, then the remaining value is y plus 1. It's equal to 35 plus 3 is 38. Now look at the left hand side, 1 plus y involved in this two term. And so we can write this as a x plus 3 multiply 1 plus y, it's equal to 38. Since in our question x and y belong to positive integer, now look at this. This is a x plus 3. It's also positive integer, and 1 plus y, it is also a positive integer. Now our concern is just to positive factor of 38. So the positive factor of 38 are, the first factor will be 1 multiply 38, and the second factor of 38 will be 38 multiply 1. Third factor will be 2 multiply 19, and the last fourth factor will be 19 multiply 2. Now we check all the factor one by one. So the left hand side is x plus 3 multiply 1 plus y. So look at the first factor. This implies that x plus 3 it's equal to 1, and 1 plus y it's equal to 38. Now look at this. If we subtract a 3 on both sides, then this is a 1 minus 3. So x is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now this is the value of x, which is minus 2. Now find the value of y. For this we subtract a 1 on both sides. So y is equal to 38 minus 1, which is equal to 37. The value of x is minus 2. The value of y is 37. X is a negative integer, so we cannot use a case number 1. So now look at the case number 2. This implies x plus 3 it's equal to 38, and 1 plus y it's equal to 1. Now look at this. If we subtract a 3 on both sides, then we get x is equal to 38 minus 3, and 38 minus 3 is 35. So this is the value of x, which is a positive integer. Now look at this. If we subtract a 1 on both sides, so this is a y is equal to 1 minus 1. So y is equal to 0. So it's not a positive integer. So this implies we cannot use the case number 2. Now look at this. So this implies x plus 3 is equal to 2, and 1 plus y is equal to 19. Look at this. If we subtract a 3 on both sides, then x is equal to 2 minus 3, and the 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. So in this case, the value of x is a negative integer. Now look at this. If we subtract a 1 on both sides, then y is equal to 19 minus 1, which is equal to 18. The value of x is negative integer, but the value of y is a positive integer. We cannot use this case because in our question x and y are both positive integer. Now finally we select the last case. In this case, look at this. This is a x plus 3 multiply 1 plus y is equal to 19 multiply 2. So this implies x plus 3 is equal to 19, and 1 plus y is equal to 2. So look at this. We subtract a 3 on both sides, then x is equal to 19 minus 3, and the 19 minus 3 is just 16. So x is 16 in this case. Now find the value of y. We use equation number 2. For this, if we subtract a 1 on both sides, so this will become a y is equal to 2 minus 1, and the 2 minus 1 is 1. So finally, in the last case, value of x is 16 and the value of y is 1. The both are positive integer, so this is the value of x and y. But in our question, we just find the value of x plus y. So the value of x is 16. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So x plus y is equal to 17 in our question. And we have done. Thank you.